issued tornado watch number 6. Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development. Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations. Possible warning. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or internet sources for the latest severe weather. For the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 605 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Squanner Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland.